Hello, everybody. It's Pete Olsen, the Montana Silver Stacker, Wednesday, January 12th, 2022. Hope you guys are having a great week. Here we are halfway through the week already. Very, very exciting. Got a great video for you today talking about the Fed and gold prices, gold and silver prices. But before we get into that, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Press the notification bell to get notifications about my next videos before anyone else. Please like, share, and comment. I really, really appreciate it. This gets this information out to more silver and gold bugs. But uh, here we go. The article today, and I thought it was a good one, had to do with the Federal Reserve. And it says the less hawkish Fed could push gold prices higher. So we're talking about consumer prices and they're rising. And they talk about the hot inflation could hold down economic growth. And boy, have we seen the inflation, haven't we, in the grocery stores, the highest we've seen it in over 40 years. And a less hawkish Federal Reserve could push gold and silver prices higher. So for us that stack silver and gold, that's a wonderful thing. That's why we own silver and gold, right? So it says gold prices have been range bound in about 1,800 per ounce, holding pattern that goes all the way back to the summer of last year. With the Fed set to raise interest rates in 2022, which they have no choice, that could push the dollar higher and set gold back even further. But things could change. Ambition may overcome the reality, and slower economic growth in 2022 could tell the Fed to scale back on its aggressive interest rate raising policy. Weak economic data from high unemployment levels and growing government debt could be just what gold needs to spark a rally. And a gentleman by the name of Bart Malik, he's the head of commodity strategy at TD Securities, said the possibility of weakish economic data in the aftermath of the Omicron variant and somewhat less inflationary pressure manifesting, along with the lack of strict inflation targeting, are all factors likely to keep the U.S. central bank from pulling the trigger on a hike in March. That's very, very interesting. So analytics show that the Fed could raise rates 4 times this year. I mean, think about that, guys, 4 times, pushing the greenback higher as it rallied to end 2021. Gold prices fell 4% in 2021 as investors were reinvigorated to head back into equities as the economy continued to recover from the 2020 pandemic-ridden year. And that was a terrible year for sure, with everything going on in 2020. Malik foresees the gold prices could possibly hit 1850 in the short term. That's possible if the Fed essentially all talk and less hawk, if you will. So, he says Jerome Powell is no hawk, and there is a long way to go to operate at full capacity. Policymakers will continue to make policy in response to the numbers, Malik said. Any rate increases will not turn policy restrictive for a while yet. Okay, so let's see what Chairman Powell does. If he's less hawkish, that could push gold and silver higher. If he's more hawkish, we may go down a little bit. But I see personally silver and gold going up substantially here in 2022, in my opinion, and I am no financial advisor. It is the best place to be with your money, the safest place with the biggest upside. I love the fact that silver and gold has been money for 5,000 years. It will continue to be money 5,000 years from today. It can never go to zero. It's the only thing that beats inflation. So this is a really interesting article about the Fed Chairman Powell and really discussing how is it going to affect silver and gold based upon how hawkish he will be with the interest rates. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that. In the description below, if you are looking for an extra stream of income, my company is an international silver and gold company. We're in 44 countries. We pay people to refer others to shop with us. We have the lowest price silver and gold on the planet. And we have part-time and full-time people earning 6 figures and high 5 figures, very, very part-time around their full-time job. So if you've been thinking about a second stream of income, this is the perfect opportunity. All I want you to do is click on the link, take the online tour, fill out the survey, and I will personally get hold of you. Okay. God bless you guys. Happy Wednesday. Talk to you soon.